Okay, so the first question, what were the gains of the previous textbook implementation processes? I would say this book was really teacher friendly. It had lots of content, you could see the grammar in function, in terms of language function. So it was easy to open the book, basically pages would whisper to your ear what to teach. And I guess that was a really good thing because it would feed your imagination, it would feed your brain in terms of, okay, this is what we have now. I'm thinking of other options, other ideas. It's giving me food for thought, and therefore, every single lesson would have many aspects to consider, to use, and constantly you would go like from one part to the other and you would see the elements to teach. It had a perfect sequence which would help me organize my class better. So once more, it was very practical, easy to follow. Uh, it would be like a book of advice for you to teach. So I guess it was definitely really teacher friendly. What aspects do you find more challenging and how do you cope with them? Again, I was talking about Top Notch. And I'll be honest with you, initially when I started, because coincidentally, I started working with Top Notch, sometimes I would find like deep and complex grammar, But again, seeing these difficult things maybe made me go to my advisors, my colleagues, It made me, like study more and get closer, to all these things that we were supposed to teach. I guess the complexity of some grammar aspects or elements or ideas made you, well, want to work more, study more, improve your knowledge, and find alternatives. And many of these cases, you would do it, with the people from the Colombo, because we would be like working together. It was kind of typical and usual, and unusual. Sorry. And regarding the difference now that we have life has been more challenging, because you got a little bit of grammar, some context, but you have to put everything together. Okay, so how do you deal with this? Basically, following the old method from Top Notch. See what's the grammar approach, see what's the topic, and try to blend it. If we're going to talk about a will or going to, well, and the topic is talking about plans, well, why don't we focus, on our students' plans, our dreams, start with some sort of warm up, you already know that. Get some vocabulary, ask about some of their ideas, and then go through the process, implementing and guiding, their production, but also give them elements to produce. Ay, ¿cómo que me perdí? No sé,